Hello, everyone. Today we are going to learn something very important in English grammar, parts of speech. Now don't get scared by the name. It sounds big, but it's actually very simple. Think of English like a human body. Every part has a different role. In the same way, every word in a sentence has a different job. And those jobs are called parts of speech. There are 8 parts of speech in English. Let's understand them one by one, very easily. First is noun. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, Ali, Kashmir, book, happiness. If I say Ali is reading a book, Ali is a noun. Book is also a noun. So remember, naming words are nouns. Second is pronoun. Pronouns replace nouns, because if we repeat nouns again and again, the sentence sounds boring. Instead of saying, Ali is a good boy, Ali studies hard. Ali helps everyone. We say, Ali is a good boy. He studies hard. He helps everyone. He is a pronoun. Some common pronouns are I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Third is verb. Verb means action. Anything you do is a verb. Eat, run, sleep, write, speak. In the sentence, she writes a letter. Writes is the verb. No verb equals no sentence. Verb is the heart of a sentence. Fourth is adjective. Adjective describes a noun. If I say, she has a dress, okay, but what kind of dress? She has a beautiful dress. Beautiful is describing the dress, so it is an adjective. Examples: big, small, happy, tall, intelligent. Fifth is adverb. Adverb describes a verb. If I say, he runs, how does he run? He runs fast. Fast tells us how he runs, so it is an adverb. Mostly adverbs end with lie, like slowly, quickly, happily. Sixth is preposition. Prepositions show position or relationship. For example, the book is on the table. The cat is under the chair. She is sitting in the room. Words like in, on, at, under, between. These are prepositions. Seventh is conjunction. Conjunction joins words or sentences. I like tea and coffee. She is poor but honest. I stayed home because it was raining, and, but, because. These are conjunctions. They are like glue. They connect sentences. Last one, interjection. Interjection shows sudden feeling. Wow! Oh no! Oops! Amazing! They usually come with an exclamation mark. So let's quickly revise. That's it. See? Parts of speech are not difficult at all. If you understood this in one go, you're already improving your English practice daily. Make small sentences and try to identify parts of speech around you. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next lesson.